8 Best Scripting Languages. Python. 1. Ease of learning and use. 2. Extensive libraries and frameworks. Python is known for its simple, readable syntax, making it a great language for both beginners and experienced developers. Its focus on readability helps in writing clear and efficient code. Python boasts a vast ecosystem of libraries and frameworks, such as NumPy for scientific computing, Pandas for data analysis, and Django for web development. This makes it incredibly versatile for different applications. 3. Broad applications. Python is widely used in diverse fields, including web development, data analysis, machine learning, artificial intelligence, automation, and even creative fields like animation and game development. 2. JavaScript. 1. Ease of learning and use. 2. Extensive libraries and frameworks. JavaScript is the backbone of modern web interactivity. It allows developers to create dynamic and responsive elements on websites, such as animations, drop-down menus, and interactive forms. It runs on almost every browser and platform without requiring additional software or plugins. This makes it a highly accessible choice for building web applications. 3. Broad applications. JavaScript has an extensive ecosystem of libraries and frameworks like React, Angular, and Vue.js, which simplify and enhance web development for both beginners and seasoned developers. 3. Ruby. 1. Developer-friendly. 2. Ruby on Rails. Ruby emphasizes simplicity and productivity, with a clean and human-readable syntax. It's often said that Ruby is designed to make programming fun and intuitive. The Ruby on Rails framework, built on Ruby, is a popular choice for creating web applications. It follows the convention over configuration principle, speeding up development by reducing repetitive coding tasks. 3. Versatile and open source. Ruby is an open-source language supported by a passionate global community. It can be used for web development, automation, and even data processing, although it's particularly celebrated for its web-related capabilities. 4. PHP. 1. Web-centric. 2. Open source and easy to learn. PHP is specifically designed for creating dynamic and interactive websites. It integrates seamlessly with HTML, making it a favorite for server-side web development tasks. PHP is open source, meaning it's free to use and has a strong community for support. Its straightforward syntax makes it accessible for beginners, yet robust enough for advanced projects. 3. Powering the web. PHP powers some of the most popular websites and platforms, including WordPress, Facebook in its early days, and Wikipedia. Its ability to connect to various databases makes it highly versatile. 5. Perl. 1. Text processing mastery. 2. CPN library. Perl excels at text manipulation and processing, making it a favorite for tasks like web scraping, log file analysis, and generating reports. Perl has a massive repository called CPN, Comprehensive Perl Archive Network, that contains thousands of modules. These modules make it easy to extend Perl's functionality for various applications. 3. Versatility and legacy. Perl is often called the Swiss Army knife of programming languages because it can be used for a wide range of tasks, from system administration and web development to bioinformatics. Its flexibility and robust community support have kept it relevant. 6. Bash. 1. Shell scripting. 2. Command line interface. Bash is widely used for writing shell scripts to automate repetitive tasks like file manipulation, program execution, and system administration. It's a powerful tool for simplifying workflows. Bash is the default command line interpreter in many Linux distributions and macOS. It allows users to interact directly with the operating system through commands and scripts. 3. Text processing and utilities. Bash integrates seamlessly with command line utilities like awk, sed, and grep for efficient text processing and data manipulation, making it an essential tool for system administrators and developers. 7. PowerShell. 1. Automation and scripting. 2. Object-oriented. PowerShell is widely used for automating tasks across Windows environments and beyond. Its advanced scripting capabilities allow users to streamline processes like file management, user account handling, and software deployment. Unlike traditional shells, PowerShell works with objects rather than text. This allows for more precise data manipulation and interaction, especially when working with complex systems. 3. Cross-platform compatibility. Originally designed for Windows, PowerShell is now open source and cross-platform. It can run on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, which broadens its usability for IT professionals and developers. 8. Lua. 1. Embedded language. 2. Lightweight and fast. Lua is widely used as an embedded scripting language, often integrated into applications to provide customizability. It's popular in game development, where it powers game engines like Unity, Roblox, and CryEngine. Lua is known for its simplicity and small memory footprint. It's designed to be efficient and easy to implement, making it a great choice for resource-constrained environments. 3. Versatile and extendable. Lua's versatility allows it to be used for diverse applications, such as game scripting, data analysis, and even web development. Its straightforward syntax also makes it easy to learn and extend. Most used scripting languages: Python 54%, JavaScript 62%, Ruby 6%, PHP 15%, Perl 5%, Bash 12%. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. SRG Global Technologies. We can help you succeed.